There's nothing wrong with wanting a better relationship. I mean, who doesn't want minimal arguing and daily expressions of love and care for each other? You can have the relationship you want, and I would say do not settle for less. And I will help you get it. I have 2 little girls, and all I want is to make a better world for them. If I can help you learn how to argue and make the home you want, you will help me raise emotionally smart playmates for my girls. I understand it can be a little puzzling to hear that I'll teach you how to argue if probably what you want is to stop arguing, but that's not going to happen. Conflict is human. It's even healthy. If there's no conflict, it means that one of you is saying yes ma'am or yes sir every time that there is a perceived difference, and that's not good for the relationship's health. On the other hand, a lot of the arguments that you're having right now are unnecessary. They are wasting your time and energy. Those conflicts are damaging your relationship strength. But it's not the conflict in itself that's damaging. It's the faulty strategies that you're using to deal with it. If you let those faulty strategies make camp in your relationship, they will chip away little by little your connection, and you will develop destructive dynamics that will end up as a toxic and emotionally abusive relationship. This is not couples therapy or personal therapy. We don't have to get into childhood trauma to be able to teach you these skills. This is like tutoring. I found that the fastest way to heal and thrive is to face every conflict assertively. This means truthfully and kindly, and learn how to manage conflict in a constructive manner, as well as making daily connecting habits. I'll send you videos explaining, and then we'll have a video call about every week. And also, I'll be helping you online every day. I'll be there for you. I'm not saying you will eradicate conflict like this. That's not what you want. What you want is that every conflict that arises is used to build better understanding of each other, that it builds a stronger connection, trust, respect, and that it makes your future better, just as you want it to look. If your relationship is good, it can be better. If this is something you'd like, apply to my program and schedule an interview. We'll see together if this is the best fit for you. Or send me an email. Let me help you and help me make a better world.